Hi everyone. Today we're going through the cash book. This is a Sing dollar cash book. Remember the other time we go through the AR and AP. So we haven't collect any money from the AR. I mean the trade debtor. We haven't made any payment to the trade creditor. From the AP here. Okay, so today we're going through this. For example, we're going through the first one. Okay, we collect money from the first one. Okay, which is receipt the bill from 1st January. Okay, so it's on the 1st February. 1st February, we receive money from this next minibar. Okay, to make it easy, okay, we close out the cash book for only the receipt column. So we click on this thing. When you see the payment column, you can disappear. It hide the payment column. So easier for us to key in. So we key in the correction. We receive a check. Okay, then this one from the account, current asset from trade debtor. So you can key in you have receipt number, you key in receipt number. So the invoice number is the first invoice number. The amount is 535. So once you receive the money, you go to the AR. Over here you key in, you tap here. You see the first receipt is no more amount due. Amount due is 0. So you receive 535. Okay, add the cash book here. Okay, straight away receive the money, right? So the second receipt, second we make payment to the AP. We use the first one. The first one is 107. So we make payment to this Chop Chiap Heng. Okay, so first one. So now we go into the payment. Where is the payment? We have to open out the cash flow from here. You click this thing, you see the payment. Now you click the payment, you hide the receipt. Okay, so we go to the first one. Okay, AP first one is also 1st January. So we assume that it may be on the 10th of February. We receive the money. Then we go to here. We take the Chok Chia Heng. So description, you also can key in the check number. Okay, check number. Check number. Then trade payable, liability. Okay, trade creditor. Payment voucher, you may have payment voucher, you key in the payment voucher. Okay, the first invoice number, remember that's how we sanction the first invoice number. Okay, you may also key in the check number here. Over here you can key in something else. If you have you can key in the check number here. It's 120101. So maybe we delete the 0 behind. Okay, done. So we go to here, we make payment 107. So now you go to the AP, you see 107 collected from the first bill 773. So the amount due is 0. Correct. Okay, now we settle the AR and AP. So the cash book, now we do the next payment. You can leave it like that. Okay, for payment, continue from here. So we can do the first payment. First payment maybe on the 1st, maybe on the 10th or 15th January. Okay, you make payment to any name here. Don't have, so you may need to key in the other name. So you key in ABC company. Okay, here you can key in maybe renter. Renter for January. The renter is under other income. Expenses. So you can choose over here. Go for the renter, office renter. Then PP number, you may choose the first one. This one is the January. Okay, so January is the first one. So wait now, I make a change here. First one. Okay, invoice number maybe you have, if you don't have, then leave it blank. 120. Okay, you make payment. This payment to them got GST, because if you are GST registered car company, you key with the GST. If you are not GST registered company, you just key in the non-GST column. Okay, for example, you are GST registered, so we key in over here lah. $50 plus. Okay, so $50 haven't include GST, so you key the $50 is 3.5 here. So so for here is just put in $53. This is only for checking purpose. So the GST checking is 0 out balance no more. So it's just for checking. So here you key in 107. So here you do nothing, you just delete them first lah. Okay, the next one, once you key in this thing, right, the GST for the renter, you go to the GST report, you will see the renter came out only $50 from cash book. January, the GST is 3.5. Am I right? Okay, so from here, the renter, you key in, okay, you charge to renter account, you go to income statement. Now the renter, you got the figure down there. Last time, the previous version module, you key in only the sales and purchase. Now for expenses, you got $53 here under January rental. Okay, why the $53 all came to here? Because assuming that this company do not have GST register, so the full amount here. If you have your company GST register, this amount will be only $50. 350 will go to the GST, like this report here. Okay, $50, then 3.5 here. $50 go to expenses. Okay, so I do not know whether you are GST or not GST register. So now we just doing as in general first. This is how we get the instant result from the income statement here. Okay, so if you key in something else like the second one, you will get the income statement and the GST straight away from whatever you key in. Okay, if you need the account list to have other things, you just come over here and add accordingly, or change accordingly to what is your company charge or account. Okay, likewise came to the customer and vendor. Customer, you can add on or you can change all these to your company vendor and the company customer. Okay, this is all about cash book lah. Even though the date here, you see, for example, okay, I open up the whole cash book. You see, I just key in the date was the other way. January go below and February go on top. You want to arrange them properly, you just click on this date. You'll rearrange the date properly for you. Okay, you see the bank reconciliation column, right? This I will touch on this later when we go into the next module. Okay, so much so that today is only for the cash book. So I hope you catch up with me, and if you have any question, you can just text me or send me a text message or WhatsApp me, or you can send me an email. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for watching.